Hi, friends. I want to invite you to join me in prayer today as we honor all of those that are going back to school at Santa Fe High School in our community, and of course the families that are not returning with kids in high school. Our hearts are deeply touched, and we wish to pray together for all children everywhere, all youth of every age, to be safe and protected and have communities where they can connect and feel at home, to clear any healing that needs to happen. Let us create safe families, safe communities, safe schools, so that we can all walk through this world connected to ourselves and to our understanding of the divine, and know that life is meant to help affirm us. So just take a moment in whatever way you pray to touch into that God of your understanding and say, thank you, God, for keeping all children everywhere safe, for helping us to know that there is no place where you are not. And we feel your power and presence, comforting those hearts and minds and families and children that are in fear today, that they may be lifted up to know that there is a great force of good that is happening here, and that they can walk through the world safe and create a better world for all of us. And we thank you for this infinite source, for the divine presence that helps us to know we can never, ever be separate from God. And so we hold that truth and send forth a blessing to all and say, thank you, God. And so it is. Amen.